In today's video, I will teach you how to make your photos look rustic in Lightroom. Let's get started. A rustic look in Lightroom gives your photos a warm, earthy, and vintage feel, perfect for outdoor portraits, farm-style photography, and cozy autumn shots. The key to achieving this style is muted tones, warm browns, and soft textures. First, we're going to adjust the basic panel for warm and muted base. You can start by lowering the contrast to -10 to -30 because rustic edits look best with gentle contrast to mimic a film-like appearance. Now we're going to decrease the highlights to -10 to -30, which prevents harsh bright areas, keeping the image soft. Now we're going to lift the shadows to around 10 to 30, which helps bring out details in darker areas, giving a natural feel. Then we're going to lower the blacks to -10 to -20, which deepens the darker tones without losing too much detail. Now we're going to increase the temperature to around 5 to 15, which adds a warm golden hue for an earthy effect. Now we're going to reduce the vibrance to -10 to -20 and slightly lower the saturation to -5 to -15. Muted colors are key for a rustic vintage style. Now we're going to use the tone curve for a faded vintage effect. The tone curve helps create that soft age look. First, we're going to create a slight S-curve by raising the black point slightly to fade shadows. Then lower the midtone slightly for depth, and lift the highlights to maintain brightness. Then adjust the red and blue channels for a warm film look. In the red curve, slightly lift the shadows for a reddish-brown tint. And in the blue curve, lower the shadows and raise the highlights to introduce warmth in shadows and cooler highlights. Now we're going to adjust the HSL for earthy rustic colors. The HSL or Hue, Saturation, and Luminance panel is essential for tweaking colors to create a natural rustic feel. First, we're going to adjust the hues by shifting colors for a rustic feel. For reds and oranges, shift slightly toward red for rich skin tones. And for yellow, move slightly toward orange to warm up the greenery. And for greens, shift toward yellow for an earthy faded look. And for blues and aquas, shift toward teal to tone down overly bright skies. Now we're going to adjust the saturation. Reduce the saturation in blues and greens to around -20 to -40 for a natural desaturated outdoor effect. Then slightly lower the reds and yellows to around -10 to -20 to keep warm tones from looking too bright. Now we're going to adjust the luminance. Increase the orange and yellow luminance to around 10 to 30 for soft glowing skin and warm highlights. Then reduce the green luminance to around -10 to -30 to darken and desaturate greenery for a rustic vintage feel. Now we're going to add warmth and vintage tones with color grading. The color grading panel helps add extra warmth in an aged film-like look. For shadows, set the hue to 40 to 50, then saturation around 10 to 20 for subtle warmth. And for midtones, choose a warm orange hue, keeping saturation low for balance. And for highlights, you can use a yellowish hue to give a sunlit rustic effect. Now we're going to enhance texture and details for a rustic feel. Increase the texture to around 10 to 30 for a natural detailed look. Then increase the clarity to around 5 to 20 to bring out rough textures. Then slightly reduce the dehaze to around -5 to -10 for a soft hazy effect. Then apply a subtle vignette, like around -10 to -30 in the effects panel to darken the edges and draw attention to the subject. Then add a grain at around 10 to 30 for a film-like rustic texture. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.